Tired of feeling like the B-side in your own love story? Does chasing after affection feel like running on ice, always slipping, never getting anywhere? Maybe you've poured your heart out only to be met with crumbs of attention. Maybe you've held on to broken promises, hoping against hope for a change that never comes. The emotional toll of being a love beggar is real. The constant disappointment, the discouragement, the nagging feeling of being unseen and unheard. It sucks the joy out of life, leaving you feeling empty and alone. But what if you could rewrite your story? What if instead of begging for scraps, you became a love magnet, drawing happiness and connection towards you like a cosmic force? This is your call to arms. This is how you stop being a love beggar and become the irresistible force of your own happiness. This is how you turn "why won't they love me" into "who wouldn't be lucky to love me?" So, let's first dissect this beast we call the love beggar. Picture a figure hunched over, hands outstretched, pleading for scraps of affection. That's essentially what we become when we place someone else's love on a pedestal, leaving our own self-worth to crumble in the dust. We shower them with compliments, prioritize their needs above our own, and twist ourselves into pretzels trying to fit their mold. Every unmet expectation chips away at our confidence, chipping away at our belief that we're deserving of genuine love. We chase, we nag, we beg for crumbs of attention, mistaking validation for love. We convince ourselves that their fleeting moments of kindness are proof of their undying devotion, ignoring the glaring red flags of a lopsided relationship. The worst part? It's addictive. We get trapped in this cycle of needing their approval, their affection, to somehow justify the emotional roller coaster we're stuck on. But here's the truth. You are not a beggar. You are a treasure, brimming with potential and worthy of love that doesn't require begging. You deserve a relationship built on mutual respect, where boundaries are cherished and happiness isn't conditional. Now let's ditch the begging bowl and embrace the power of magnetism. Imagine instead of chasing love, you become a beacon, attracting it effortlessly. Picture your confidence radiating like warm sunlight, drawing in positive connections like bees to a fragrant bloom. This, my friends, is the essence of the love magnet. It's about respecting and cherishing your unique qualities, nurturing your passions, and exuding an aura of authenticity that resonates with kindred spirits. It's about knowing your worth and refusing to settle for anything less than a love that complements, not diminishes, your shine. When you prioritize your own happiness, invest in your growth, and cultivate a vibrant inner world, you become magnetic. Your self-assurance becomes your most alluring trait, your genuine passions draw hearts close, and your openness to genuine connection creates fertile ground for love to blossom. Remember, a single sunflower doesn't chase the bees. It simply stands tall, basking in its own radiance, and the bees come naturally. So stop dimming your light for anyone. Unleash your inner sunflower, nurture your passions, and radiate your authentic self. Watch as the right partners, drawn by your magnetic energy, find their way to you. This is just the beginning of your transformation. In the later segments, we'll delve into concrete steps you can take to unlock your inner love magnet and attract genuine, fulfilling relationships. Stay tuned, because the best version of you is about to blossom. William Shakespeare certainly knew a thing or two about its mysteries and intricacies. One of his most enduring observations, this little gem. What's he saying? Well, picture a rare, luminous pearl nestled deep within an oyster. The oyster, unaware of its own treasure, spends its days desperately clinging to the seafloor, oblivious to the beauty it holds within. Similarly, those who chase love, who beg for validation, often overlook the precious pearl within themselves. They fail to recognize their inherent worth, their unique talents, their captivating spirit. But Shakespeare suggests something radical. True allure lies not in the pursuit, but in the quiet self-possession. When we cultivate our inner gardens, embrace our vulnerabilities, and radiate self-belief, we become the pearl, the treasure worth seeking. The irony, as the bard so eloquently states, is that it's often those who are already full, complete within themselves, who draw love like moths to a flame. Their independence, their self-love, becomes an irresistible beacon, attracting genuine connections that cherish their authentic selves. So remember, dear viewer, the next time you find yourself chasing after affection, take a deep breath and turn inward. Nurture your pearl, polish your inner light, and trust that those who truly appreciate your brilliance will inevitably find their way to you. As Shakespeare reminds us, sometimes the greatest love stories begin not with pursuit, but with self-discovery. Ever wondered why chasing love often feels like chasing butterflies? The harder you grasp, the faster they flutter away. The truth, my friends, lies in the subtle dance between fear and abundance, between wanting and being. When we're steeped in fear of being alone, of not being enough, we emit a desperate energy. We cling to the hope of external validation, chasing after fleeting moments of affection like a thirsty traveler in a desolate desert. This scarcity mindset, this constant wanting, becomes a barrier, repelling genuine connections like moths from a flickering flame. But here's the magic trick. The more we focus on becoming the best version of ourselves, the more we cultivate genuine self-love, the more we shift from wanting to being. We become like a lush, vibrant oasis, radiating an energy of abundance, radiating the very qualities we seek in a partner. Remember, Shakespeare's pearl hidden within the oyster wasn't found by begging the sea to open the shell. It was found by the oyster nurturing its own beauty, cultivating its own strength. We attract what we are, not what we want. When we radiate confidence, self-respect, and genuine joy, we become the proverbial love magnet, drawing kindred spirits who resonate with our authentic selves. This isn't about magic spells or wishful thinking. It's about aligning your inner state with your desired reality. It's about shedding the cloak of scarcity and embracing the abundant wellspring within. It's about recognizing that you are already worthy, already whole, already deserving of love, not because someone else grants it, but because you embody it. We've talked about shifting from fear to abundance, from wanting to being. Now, let's solidify this transformation with the potent tools of affirmations. Think of them as tiny seeds you plant in the fertile soil of your inner garden, seeds that blossom into confidence, self-love, and an irresistible magnetic energy. Repeat these affirmations with conviction, with faith in your own potential, and witness the magic unfold. Affirmation number 1. I am worthy of love simply because I am. I am perfect in my own unique way. Affirmation number 2. My self-love radiates like a warm sun, attracting genuine, healthy connections. Affirmation number 3. I release the need for external validation. My confidence blooms from within. Affirmation number 4. I celebrate my passions, my talents, my flaws. My authenticity is my superpower. Affirmation number 5. I open my heart to abundance. I allow love to flow freely to and from me. Remember, affirmations are not magic spells. They are tools for self-programming, for rewriting the limiting narratives we may hold about ourselves. Repeat them throughout the day, during your morning ritual, before bed, whenever a wave of self-doubt washes over you. With each repetition, you plant a seed of confidence, of self-worth, of magnetic energy. And believe me, my friends, those seeds will blossom. You will radiate an aura of authenticity that draws in genuine, fulfilling connections like bees to a honeyed flower. You were never meant to beg for scraps, friend. You were born to be a love magnet, radiating abundance and attracting partners who cherish your true self. So, grab your affirmations, plant your seeds of self-love, and watch your own magnetic garden. Close your eyes, dear viewer, and allow yourself to be enveloped by the quiet hum of possibility. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs and expand your chest. Exhale slowly, releasing any doubts or anxieties that may cling to you. Imagine yourself standing in a lush, vibrant meadow. Warm sunlight kisses your skin, and a gentle breeze whispers through your hair. Look down and notice a single sunflower, tall and proud, its golden face turned towards the sun. This sunflower is you, radiating confidence and self-love. Feel the roots of your sunflower self, digging deep into the fertile soil of your inner being. They draw nourishment from the wellspring of self-worth within you, the wellspring of abundance that you are cultivating with your affirmations. Now, visualize a gentle light emanating from your sunflower heart. This light is your unique essence, your authentic you, shining brightly for all to see. It's not a desperate plea for attention, but a radiant beacon of who you truly are. Watch as this light attracts other sunflowers, drawn to your vibrant energy. These are the connections you seek, the partnerships that resonate with your authentic self. They come closer, not because you chase them, but because they are drawn to your inner sun. In this field of sunflowers, there is no competition, no fear of rejection. There is only abundance, acceptance, and the joy of genuine connection. This, my friends, is the reality you're manifesting with your self-love, your affirmations, and your meditation practice. Slowly, gently, bring your awareness back to your physical body. Carry the feeling of this sunflower within you throughout the day. Remember, the more you nurture your inner oasis, the more you radiate self-love and confidence, the stronger your magnetic pull becomes. Friends, this journey isn't about finding someone to complete you. It's about becoming so complete within yourself that the right partner simply complements your existing radiance. Remember, you are worthy of love, not because you chase it, but because you embody it. You are the love magnet, attracting genuine connections like bees to a blooming flower. So there you have it, dear viewer. The journey from love beggar to love magnet isn't about begging for crumbs. It's about cultivating a feast of self-love within. It's about radiating confidence, nurturing your passions, and owning your unique magic. Remember, when you focus on blossoming from within, when you let self-respect water your roots and authenticity paint your petals, you become an irresistible force of attraction. The right partners, drawn to your radiant energy, will find their way to you like bees to a fragrant flower. But this journey is not a solo trip. If this video left you feeling a spark of hope, a surge of self-love, a desire to rewrite your own love story, then share it. Share it with the love beggars in your life, with the wallflowers waiting in the shadows, with anyone who needs to know that transformation is possible. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Join this thriving community of aspiring love magnets, where we encourage each other, share triumphs and challenges, and remind each other that true love begins within, not somewhere out there waiting to be chased. So step out of the shadows, my friend. Embrace your magnetic heart, nurture your inner sunflower, and watch as love, genuine and fulfilling, blossoms around you. See you in the next video.